y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a clean with me style video for y'all, and this video will be a mix of talking and music just so I can let you know what I'm doing and what cleaning products I'm using. So to begin with, anytime I do start cleaning, I always start with a load of laundry because I usually always have a few loads to do, and I want to go ahead and get those started since they do take a while. And I'm currently using Tide powder in the original scent and Snuggle fabric softener. So I don't usually have a favorite room I like to start cleaning in. I kind of just choose by what I'm in the mood to clean first that day. But today I'm going to start in the kitchen, and I'm going to clear the countertops and pick up any dirty dishes and just put away anything that got left out or anything else that doesn't belong. Now that my countertops are cleared, I'm going to put away the clean dishes that are in my sink and then load the dishwasher.
Told you so.
Now I'm going to use Miss Meyer's dish soap in the scent Bluebell to wash anything that I don't usually put in the dishwasher. So now I'm going to empty all the nasty stuff in my sink strainer and then clean my sinks out with soft scrub. Most of y'all know that I do like to use mostly all natural products in my home if I can, and this is not a natural product, but it is one of my favorite cleaners to use. I love the gritty texture and it cleans really well, especially if you have stuck on food or grimy areas that are hard to clean. I also use this on my stovetop to help scrub off any of the burnt food. If anyone knows of a more natural product that's just like this, let me know in the comments below.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
To clean my countertops, I'll be using the multi-surface spray by Miss Meyer's in the scent Bluebell. This is probably one of my favorite scents from the collection. It just has a really clean, crisp, essential oil smell.
You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Whenever I get done cleaning my kitchen, I always start my oil diffuser, and today I'm using my favorite essential oil by Eden's Garden. It's called Purify. It's a blend of grapefruit, eucalyptus, lemongrass, lemon, and lime. Not only does this stuff make my house smell amazingly clean, but it purifies the air as well, so I love that. And I usually get this from Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below in the description box for that if you want to check it out.
You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings.
Now I'm going to straighten up my dining room, and I need to dust the furniture around the house, so I'm just going to continue with that. And for dusting, I like to use Pledge and the scent Lemon.
Was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose. set me free. You make me win every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities.
My family room area isn't really bad. All I really need to do is just straighten up the cushions and pillows, and that's it.
You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to
So my bedroom is always a mess. It never fails. I don't know why, but our clothes can never seem to make it to the laundry basket. So I'm going to start picking up all the clothes off the floor and anything else and sort my darks from my lights and get those ready to wash.
spread my wings.
So I washed my sheets and duvet cover a couple of days ago, but I never got around to putting the duvet cover back on. So I'm going to do that now, then make my bed.
You make me win every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yes, I'm the winner, yeah.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.
Now I'm going to start another load of laundry and start folding what is already done.
You were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. Smoking outside, trying to get your attention.
All I really need to do in my bathroom today is put away anything that was left out and wipe down the counters and sinks, and I'll be using my Method Anti-Bac bathroom cleaner in the scent Spearmint for that.
And cola, wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
Now that I'm done cleaning and picking up around the house, it's time to work on the floors. As you can see, I'm going around the house and picking up all the rugs because it makes it easier to vacuum when nothing's in my way. And I always save this for the last thing to do so I can vacuum up anything that's fallen on the floor while I was cleaning. I do have a Bobby Pet robotic vacuum cleaner that usually runs during the week, and it does a fantastic job, but every week or two I do need to go around the house and detail vacuum. This past week I did forget to turn it on one, so my floors have gotten pretty bad.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you.
So I wanted to show y'all that my house isn't always perfectly clean all the time, and in this up close clip you can see the details to prove that. I do have dog hair and dust all over my house just like everyone else. I love cleaning and it's very therapeutic for me, but there are times when I don't feel like it, and when I don't keep up with it, sometimes it can get like this.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing